What's good, YouTube family? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel. So what a wonderful day, history in the making. Bitcoin, I just tweeted this, almost at 100k historical events. This is mega bullish. Now, a lot of people are obviously looking at their altcoins, but listen guys, the fact that Bitcoin's about to hit $100,000 should make you a lot more what you call bullish for the biggest ever alt season, because this is not going to continue forever, and therefore the rotation is imminent and it's more likely. And you've actually got projects like Alephium right now with their Binance bridge. You've got basedai being tracked on DeFi Llama. You've got the DeFi Llama tracking of the Alephium. I told you this wasn't at $3 million, guys. This is now all of a sudden starting to take a huge uptick here. Look at this, starting to move, starting to grow. There's a sharp rise. There's more projects, and again, the one that you need to pay attention to is Alephium Finance, because I think this is a mega project with a $5 million TVL. This time round, I think the team have done it really well, and they will continue to grow this. This is one that definitely should be in your eyes moving forward. So a lot is going on, guys, and in addition to that, you also got a few projects that I think that are going under the radar. Okay, now let's talk about some additional projects that you could look at. This has been very successful. I'm actually staking some grass that I got as a reward on the airdrop. Having said that, right now it's got this circulating of 243 million. We know a lot of this is rewards. But guys, you really need to keep your eyes and ears on this, because I think this is going to send during this bull market, albeit it's a bigger market cap, right? We're looking for quality projects undervalued. Another quality ecosystem that is heavily undervalued. Now, look, you don't have let's look at the TVL here, okay? Because people actually will say, but you know, it's a big cap, and no, it's 190 million odd. Smart money would buy this. But let's have a look at the Blast ecosystem, guys. And sometimes we are way too quick, too early to write off projects. Now you've got a 566 million basically in TVL, all right, on grass. So the market cap is 197 million. Listen, you don't have to be bullish on grass for you to make some money. Now, what I would say is right now, it's never been more quieter than it is right now. But look, if you look at Phoenix, right, TVL has been shooting up as of late. This is an opportunity in the Blast ecosystem. Blast itself is an opportunity of its own kind. So I would say, look, I'm not telling you to buy this, because if you look at the chart historically, you know, the chart's just been trending that way. 22 billion tokens. That's a lot out of 100 billion. Having said that, smart money will be turning into a protocol with a $500 million. So at this point in the bull cycle, guys, I'm only looking for true value. I don't really care. I'm not a fanatic of any project because the bag is already locked in. All right. But if you look at this chain has not done a lot. All right. In fact, it's been horrible since it came out, because obviously the tokenomics. But with the TVL, like I said, with what they're trying to do, you know, it's a no-brainer for me to definitely take some time to consider maybe having an exposure to some of this Blast potential windfall that will come our way. All right. But of course, you know, you could definitely get something that is a lot smaller in market cap, but there's no guarantee that it would absolutely send. All right. So let's continue, guys. So we talked about grass, why I think grass would be a very good opportunity in terms of the bull market. But let's have a look at a few other degen things that are happening in the world of crypto. So this is a project by the name of Mad. You guessed it. not financial advice. But right now, I think this is a crazy meme. It's an absolutely crazy meme. It's at $36 million market cap. And with these memes, I'm only always looking at the volume. And I think the volume is decent. It's $9 million. This could send. It's got some, it's obviously got some listings as well, like L Bank. Right. Next one. Let's have a look at Sharp AI. Now, this one we spoke about on our live stream, but it's starting to break out. And at $3 million market cap, Sharp AI represents an excellent low cap opportunity if you are already locked into your major bags. It's up 18% today, but overall it's at 58% discount. And Sharp AI right now, it's available on the likes of Mexi. You've got the volume increasing at 90%, but if you look at the, to impact the price, you're only looking at $200 sell on, for example, on Mexi. And I think Sharp AI will do well. I think genuinely it's got $3 million volume here. That's insane. Smart money is buying Sharp AI, but of course, not financial advice. And for those of you that don't know the project is not bad. There is inflation, not financial advice. It's a low cap gem. All right. Some of you keep asking me for low cap gems, and this is it. And Sharp, it's not the day to buy today because it's pumping, but I would say definitely if you are interested in an app, because everybody has AI agents and of course layer one AI projects, I think this is one to keep an eye on. All right. So that's Sharp AI for you, for any degens out there. And in terms of the other projects, well, yesterday I invested in the craziest meme token ever. And that meme token has absolutely not went nuts. I mean, I bought it, it went up, I posted, it was already running up to $5 million. And then it just went crazy, guys. So you've got to pay attention to Solana meme coins, but that attention will go away. And right now, if we look at the Sui ecosystem, all right, if we go to Sui, because right now all the money is back into Solana in terms of the Solana meme coins. But we need to pay attention to Sui, guys. So CETAS has a beautiful cool off, right? So CETAS right now has dipped below $200 million in market cap, right? Very good time to accumulate some CETAS if you're not already in CETAS. And then everybody was talking about D-Book. D-Book was insane. It's now come down a lot. Blub. I still think Blub is an excellent choice at $58 million. And I think you could also hold the likes of FUD. I think Scallop is a very good underrated project. It's actually $20 million. And of course, Navi Protocol, but you can't buy all of these. Then you go down the list. You've got AAA Cat on Sui. And of course, you've got the likes of, let's go look at the other projects here. You've got Turbo's Finance at $7 million. SuiPad still sitting at $4 million. And these are all opportunities to consider. But I'm going to bring you something that's degen. All right. Something that right now, there's no justification in buying a chart like this at all. There is none. Having said that, in January, this will actually ship with the Sui X1. And I think when it ships with Sui X1, this little $1 million market cap gaming crypto project would absolutely go nuts. I think, it's very high risk, very, very high risk, incredibly, dark times is not for the faint-hearted, basically, in terms of investment, in terms of the gaming aspect of it, the chart, all of that. But the quality and the fact that you've got something like this that will be shipping with the Sui X1. For those of you that don't know, let me show you what the Sui X1 is on Sui Plate. This device is going to send Sui to new heights. This device is going to propel Sui, but Dark Times is one of the games that's been shipped with it. All right. Other things to keep an eye out. Heroes of Mavia has come down quite significantly. It's a great time to actually buy Heroes of Mavia at $1.20. This is calling all degents on the last stop before explosive bull. $1.20 is an absolute steal. I think you could hold a couple of thousand of these, you'd be good. You know, the higher number you hold, you know, the more you'll get out of this bull market. In terms of everything is on discount. You've got Moontropica's car just completely crashing under $10, slightly up today, and this is a good pick. I think this is a really, really solid pick. Low token, you know, low circ, very, very good tokenomics and circulation. 26 million, $9.50, 3 million tokens. What more could you want? It's super degen, but I think this is a brilliant, brilliant gaming project. You got to front run these narratives. All right, guys. So anyway, these are just, you know, I don't want to cramp the video any longer, but these are some projects that you could potentially have a look, and we could be making our way to 100,000. Bitcoin dominance, which I'll talk about, is up, and I think the major risk to investors was the USD dominant strength, but Bitcoin right now doesn't give a damn about anything. Get a break all time, 100k, cool off a little bit, and then in January expect fireworks. This is just time to sell your car, sell your house, don't sell the kids. Not financial advice, but anyway, I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Smash a like and I'll see you soon. Take care.